Here we go once again, 21st of August 2009. The body shell is full prime. Stone chipped underneath. Everything is ready to be painted. Needs to be sand down there. Flatted down with 800. All the panels are being repaired. It's ready for spray tomorrow. Tomorrow, 22nd of August 2009. The whole shell should be sprayed. Check Onyx Black, base coat and lacquer. Brad, thank you, man. Brad, see you later, mate. Cheers. Thanks a lot. You ordered that tin, yeah? What, today?
That'll be about 3 o'clock, 4
Nice one, thanks, mate. Hello, Master D. How you doing, man? Look at them panels, lovely, isn't it? Not even from manufacturers can get it. Look at that. Not even manufacturers can get that clean.
What?
Clean.
Look good, man, doesn't it?
Hey, look at the pollux, man. Aye? No more bare metal, man.